Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can change the stabilization on your Insta360 GO 3S. Okay, to do this is pretty simple to do. It's just a little tricky to find if you're just opening this or using this thing for the very first time. But right now I have it on 4K 30 frames per second. So we'll tap on that feature to access the stabilization. Over here on the top left corner, you can see right there, stabilization. Right now mine is set to max, which is the best. All right, right now it's on max. Stabilization level is suitable for extreme sports such as mountain biking or longer preview delay. If you change it to high, stabilization is suitable for intense activities such as running with a moderate preview or delay. Stabilization on standard is suitable for daily or short preview delay. And then of course you can turn it on off, which I don't really recommend. So by default, it is on standard. I went ahead and had mine on high or on max because I needed it for that particular shoot that I was doing. And then go back to your home screens by swiping down. And that's how you change the stabilization on your Insta360 GO 3S.